What is up, guys? So this is how I made my sundial. I just went to Google and I searched for a printable sundial. And boom, I came up with this page and I had no idea what's my latitude. So I click on it and boom, it automatically detects my location and it automatically sets my latitude, which is 17.901 to the north. And so I printed it, and here it is. And now I'm done preparing my sundial. Let's go out and test my sundial. And here we go. I started at about 11:16 a.m. And let's time lapse it. Another thing was that I used a compass so that my sundial is pointing at true north. And so I stopped at about 12:41 p.m. That's it. Thank you for watching.